nature's most perfect creation, the walnut. Its golden, wrinkled kernel is an exact mirror of the human brain, a design so precise it cannot be coincidence. The journey begins with the first bite. Rich, buttery omega-3 seconds flood the mouth, instantly awakening ancient neural pathways. Salivary enzymes liberate liquid gold, while the crunch itself stimulates brain activity. The walnut descends the esophagus, carrying the highest plant-based source of brain-critical ALA. In the stomach, healthy fats are carefully protected and emulsified. In the small intestine, millions of villi reach out like eager hands, absorbing every drop of omega-3, every particle of vitamin E, every trace of natural melatonin and polyphenols. These golden nutrients surge into the bloodstream. They cross the blood-brain barrier with perfect efficiency, repairing neurons, strengthening synapses, igniting memory and focus. The heart receives powerful anti-inflammatory protection. Arteries stay clean, calm, strong. Vitamin E shields every cell in the body from oxidative damage. At night, walnut's own melatonin gently activates the pineal gland, guiding the brain into the deepest, most restorative sleep. Now the entire body radiates with walnuts' rich golden energy, but the brain shines brightest of all. Outwardly, you feel sharper, calmer, more alive than ever. Inside, your brain has just received nature's single most perfect food, walnut, designed by nature, chosen by your brain.